This is a brand new 2015 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. It features a 6-cylinder engine and a 7-speed automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium One package, the Convenience package, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, keyless go, a power moonroof, heated seats, blind spot assist, XM satellite radio, and lane keeping assist. The following features are also included: a steering wheel with memory settings, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front side impact airbags, a split folding rear seat, cooled cup holders, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a HomeLink feature, and the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.